In this video, we listed the 5 best window cleaner on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Robot Window Cleaner. The Haoyunme W140 is an innovative and efficient water sprayer designed for versatile use. Originating from mainland China, this product is designed with a square shape to cover a larger area, making it suitable for a minimum area of 40 x 60 cm. The sprayer features 2 water tanks, each with a capacity of 30 milliliters, and is constructed from ABS material. With a cord length of 4 meters and a power consumption of less than 800 W, it offers flexibility and energy efficiency. The product is certified with CE and includes safety features such as a 4-meter safety rope. With its compact size of 248 x 248 x 65 mm, the Haoyunme W140 offers convenience and effectiveness for various water spraying applications. Number 2. APP Control Robot Window Cleaner. The RL2988 by Robot Lifestyle is a versatile and efficient cleaning robot designed for both wet and dry cleaning functions. Originating from mainland China, this robot features a suction power of 2,600 pascals and operates at a noise level of 60 dB, providing powerful and quiet cleaning performance. With a compact product size of 25,257.2 centimeters and a gross weight of 2.66 kilograms, it offers convenient maneuverability and storage. The robot is equipped with a 14 8V 650 mAh inner battery and operates at an input voltage of DC 24V/3, 75A, 75W, ensuring reliable and sustained cleaning power. Additionally, it features a safety rope with a length of 4 m, providing added security during operation. The RL2988 is designed to cover a clean speed of 5 min/SQM and offers NZ shape clean modes, catering to diverse cleaning needs. With CE certification and a global voltage range of 100-240 V/50-60 Hz, this cleaning robot offers a high level of safety and compatibility. Number 3. Robot Window Cleaner. The Haoyunme W140W150S is a versatile water sprayer designed for efficient and convenient use. Originating from mainland China, this product features a square shape to cover a larger area and offers a cord length of 4 meters. With a power consumption of less than 800 W and a voltage range of 100-240 V, it provides energy-efficient operation. Additionally, it is constructed from ABS material and is certified with CE, ensuring quality and safety. The W140W150S comes with advanced features such as APP control and remote control, enhancing user convenience. Furthermore, it offers flexibility in plug options, allowing users to specify their preferences for US or AU plugs. This water sprayer is designed to provide effective and adaptable spraying capabilities for a variety of applications. Number 4. PuRuiKai Home Window Cleaner. The machine has undergone rigorous quality inspection and carries various certifications, ensuring its safety and reliability. The packaging includes all necessary components for immediate use, and the usage instructions are clear and concise. The product specifications, such as the cord length, power rating, and voltage compatibility, are suitable for a wide range of applications. The inclusion of a manual in both Russian and English is a thoughtful touch for international users. Overall, this machine from PuRuiKai appears to be a well-designed and well-equipped product originating from mainland China. Number 5. Liectroux YW610 Cleaner. The provided details describe a robotic device with a 4-meter cord, a power rating of less than 800 W, and a voltage range of 100-240 V. The model number is YW610, and it is certified with CE and ROH. The product is branded as Liectroux and originates from mainland China. It operates at a noise level of less than 65 decibels and is controlled via an infrared remote control. Safety features include fall arrest control and a UPS safety rope. The device is equipped with a 500 mAh lithium-ion battery and comes with various power lines and safety rope of different lengths. Additionally, it has a power-off duration of 20 minutes.